Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I want to talk about the 25% of JDF soldiers that vote. That is shocking and that is scary. Let's get into this article. It says only 982 or 23% of the 4,181 members of the Jamaica Defense Force on the voters list cast ballots on Monday ahead of tomorrow's general election. There was, however, a better showing by members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force at 42% of the 4,849 of the 11,052 on the voters list executed their franchise when members of the security forces and election day workers voted. At the same time, 20,445, that's 66% of the 31,084 election day workers went out to vote Monday. The overall turnout for Monday's voting was 56%. The special service voters' ballots are placed in special marked individual envelopes, which are then sorted the night after the election and will be counted on election day, along with ballots cast by civilians, non-election day workers. And that shows you what they think of this administration and what they think of voting. It is quite sad. And they also have been on social media begging and pleading for their superiors to feed them properly. And look how the elite members of the JDF are being treated. I'm positive none of the top ranks nan this, but we who are guard them head back at this, we sit down and yam bad to bad. The JCF now do this to the police them. We need to put a stop to it, and we are in need of help. Please help us. Tag the relevant authorities. We are hanging by a thread at these checkpoints. The piece of dry bread alone me bite because work killed me from last night. That is sad.
So this is the plate of food that they've been feeding the Jamaica Defense Force. Honestly, I would not eat this. This can't do anything to them. And these JDF officers are the same ones that have been in zone of special operations and state of emergency from 2018, because the zone of special operation and state of emergencies are the only means of a crime plan that the JLP administrators had. They didn't have any crime plan as to how they will stop crime and violence in Jamaica, because we were doing thousands of murders a year, and their solution to that problem was zone of special operations and state of emergency with the JCF officers and JDF soldiers, and they've been there from 2018. So and I just know then they complain about the food them. Then they get served a long time. Would you eat this food? Would you eat this plate of food if you were a Jamaica Defense Force officer?
Is truly sad. I'm gonna insert the pictures that they have been posting on social media. This is 2 pictures, and there are more floating around on social media. If this is what they're feeding them, they are sad. They're truly sad, and they have been in these zosos and a state of emergency for months now. So they need to be getting fed. That's how you work properly. You get fed, you work good. Food is your fuel, and if you're not getting fed properly, you're not gonna want to work. So what the hell is going on? This is sad. Really, really sad. Look at the plate. 1 piece of dry bread, 2 pieces of potato, 1 piece of something that look like a sardine, and some crumbs, a scrambled egg. God no. God no. I mean, understand now why only 25% of them vote. Them tired. Them want to go them yeah, go eat some good dinner and some good breakfast. And they're the one that is breaking their back to make sure the country is safe. And they're doing a damn good job. If it wasn't for them and this pandemic, we would probably be over 1,000 murders by now. So them need to get a raise. So So them need to get a raise, and them need to get good food. And them need to actually rotate these officers and send them home so them loved ones can feed them and comfort them, because they're not getting any. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.